Ay, hapon na pala. Sorry. Oy, dahil mo na. Guys, pupunta kami sa Pusod, sa Pusod. Punta kami sa Pusod. Kasama ko yung mga pinsan ko. Ayan sila Janice at saka si Mr. Ace. Mag-hi kayo sa camera, guys. Hi! Yun. So, dito kami sa Marupong ngayon, guys. Dito kami sa seaside para sumakay ng bangka papunta sa Pusod, Lagon. Sa Pusod, Lagon. Oh, Ay, hindi ba? Hindi, anong tawag yun, tol? Lake, hindi naman lake yun, di ba? Tol, Lagon yun, tol. Hindi siya lake, eh. Tol, yung lake. Tol, tama ako, tol. Mali ka. Oh, Lagon yun. Kasi yung lake, katulad ng Kayangan, di ba? Kasi lake yan. So, meaning, nasa labas siya ng bundok, Lagon. Lagon yung tawag dun. Saan tayo magdan? Bakla. Janice, lumalabas na yung pagkano dito mo Eee! Guys.
So guys, for today's vlog, we are going to swim.
Yeah.
And as of now, we are walking, going to Kawaton because our boat is there.
Yeah.
We have to walk, of course. And after reaching the boat, we're going to
Ito ng balon, guys.
ride from Kawaton to Pusod Lagoon.
Okay. Yeah.
And we are now actually we are experiencing some turbulence.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi. Hi, guys. Nagpa-vlog din pala yung
Vlog namin kabag tuloy guys.
kapatid namin.
So siya ay isang vlogger. And you.
Vlogger ka na ngayon.
Gubat ko gubat.
Sama mo si Kuya James.
Kasi I need to save my t-shirt because it is because I'm not prepared. And our lady says that we just visit the Marupo, but they say that it is time to it is an unexpected
Plan.
plan. That's why I am now
Yeah.
because I want to save my t-shirt.
Wow. Oh,
Because that
wow. The mineral water, guys.
yeah, that's mineral.
It's mineral water.
That's a real mineral.
Yeah. It's the original mineral water here in Morocco. So we're going to stop this video, guys, as for now. Then please don't forget to subscribe our channel, okay? You know my name, guys. I love you all.